So you're sitting here wondering what to do. All you need to do is type in the video description, and in future videos we'll show you how to create those. Unless you've got your own, you pick your width. Most people probably want to do TikTok videos, and then your resolution, it can be whatever you want. And these are short. These are for social media, advertising, and marketing. Tell it to generate 1 credit. It's going to take a credit from your total credits, and it will generate the video. It'll be 3 to 5 minutes. Within a couple minutes, you'll have a beautiful lifelike video that you can watch. These are from words. And these are powerful to post on social media. You can immediately download it. You can sell these. To download it, you right click on the video. Say video as confused guy. It's that simple.